Welcome to KiddoFin. Make your smart birthday budget and how to impress your parents. I'm Mona going to explain it. Just for fun.
Hi friends, I'm Mona and today I'll show you how to use the KiddoFin birthday budget maker for an amazing party that even your parents will love. Did you know planning early can save lots of money? Let me take you through the process step by step. Here is my name and birthday date. The plan is for my 10th birthday. Here I am setting my party budget. I've picked a unicorn theme for my birthday on 1st January 2024. My budget is 18,000 rupees given by my parents, better than last year's 20,000. I planned everything in advance. I found the best deals online for food and decorations, and even rented reusable cutleries to help the environment. Check out my budget here. I've listed everything the venue, food, games, and even a charity donation, with both estimated and actual costs. I got awesome deals on snacks and ice creams. And guess what? My friend's mom offered homemade snacks at a lower cost. For decorations, I chose items that can be used again no matter the party theme. And I found them at great discounts. I made digital invites myself, so no printing costs this time. For return gifts, I picked flower seeds and plants. They cost a bit more for transport, but they're so eco-friendly. I talked down the prices with the magician and photographer, saving a neat sum. Rupees 1500 for games, I spent just 500 rupees. I'm giving a meal to an orphanage again this year. It makes me really happy. And look, I'm under budget, surplus by 1900 rupees. Though estimated cost deficit by 600 rupees. Here's my contact list to keep everything on track for the party day. My parents are super proud of me for saving money. I even asked them to donate more to the orphanage instead of a big gift for me. That's the best feeling.
And that's how you plan a great party on a budget. Remember to plan early, reuse, choose eco-friendly options, and negotiate. If you liked my guide, give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and follow for more tips. For your own budget planner, check out KiddoFin.